Savannah's balance in her checking account was negative $638.57. She deposited 2 checks, each in the amount of $298.40. What is Savannah's new checking account balance after the deposits? So, we have a negative amount that we start here with, and that's really important because it'll kind of help us determine if our answer should be positive or negative. So that's negative $638.57. And then reading this carefully, Savannah deposited 2 checks, each in the amount of $298.40. So actually, she had two checks, I can do that in a different color, of $298.40. So probably would multiply it by 2 here, but just to give you the idea of what we have, that's what we have right there. So she was negative, pretty negative, and then she got these 2 checks right here, and so we're going to see what the balance is afterwards. So the best thing to do, like I said, is take, because we have 2 checks, is to take $298.40 and multiply it by 2. You could add it to itself if you wanted to, but I'm going to multiply by 2 and see what we get here. And then we could subtract that. I'll kind of show you how we do that with the negative value from the amount she started with. So we're going to move over 2 places to the right, get the decimal to the end, and then get our multiplication right. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Carry the 1 there. 2 times 9 is 18. Plus 1 is 19. And then carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. I'm showing like 59,680, but I come back 2 places. My decimal point is at the end. I'm going to bring it back 1, 2, and that makes more sense. $596.80 is what she deposited. A deposit is a positive amount. She got money. She earned money with these 2 checks. If we go back to the beginning here, I'll erase some of this. She started negative $698.57, and she gained $596, and it was 80 cents. So we now need to see how much will she have in her account at this point. Well, the negative amount is actually, she has more negative still in the account because it's negative $638 than she has positive. So we're actually going to do some subtraction here to find the difference, but our answer is going to be negative because this value, she still has more negative amount that's going to be, well, from where she started in her checking account. So I'll take that away. We're going to do 638.57. Get us a new screen here. So 638.57. I think I got that right. I did. Minus 596.80. So we'll put 596.80. And when we subtract, we're just going to understand our answer is going to be negative because we had more value in the negative. So 7 minus 0 is 7. You can't do 5 minus 8 right here, so we're going to have to borrow from the 8 and get a 7. That gives us 15. 15 minus 8 gives us a 7 again. Remember, when you do add and subtract, I didn't say this at the beginning, but make sure your decimals line up, and they do here. 7 minus 6 is 1. You cannot do 3 minus 9, so we need to borrow from the 6. Make it 13 minus 9, which is 41. And then 5 minus 5 there would cancel you out. And the answer is going to be negative, don't forget to put it, I almost did there, negative 41.77 because she still didn't get enough money with those 2 checks to get all the way out of her debt there, which is that negative 638. So negative 41.77 is still the remaining amount that would be in her checking account.